clear tu te chibai le vekule tunkar thole ni atangkhan ratulama care guidance nei turamin soma wangin kan hanjin chuak wangwanga Sawrkar Hnaruak video po kanon ti chuak theilawani clear tu te in mishria thiamna karon dil masani ole tun chuma chuan Mizoram Sawrkar Hnaruak sang dil theite kan en ho lenga tun hnaya hianin Mizoram Sawrkar hnuaia Hnaruak atam maya Group D post som thum le pasari LDC post som le paruk warder post som driver post pariat Despatch Rider post pakhat soil conservation field workers post panga Clerk kam accountant post pakhat full investigator post pakhat arwakani post ruak athanhem khop mai ahma saberin Group D Hnaruak khan en masa ila Group D post wa na department sang oma pakhatna chuanin Mizoram State Legal Service Authority MSLSA hian post som le paruk arwaka ahnyat vekani regular vekin an la donani post pakhat hi PWD pian phungarwal ban lotan reserve ani posting na hmun han en le ila ADR Center Aizola post pali ADR Center lungleya pali Aizola pakhat lunglei champhai mamit scholarship serchip longtlai siha post pakhat thek arwakani prison department a post som PE ania Mizoram lok ayukta post pani Deputy Commissioner Sai Tuala post panga Mizoram State Human Rights Commission waya post pali arwakani tichuan Group D hi vain post som thumle pasari arwakani Group D lo han enila Group D provisional employee alanghet lo chia khan singkhat sangkha zakwale somkwa ania kan soithinang khan kumsari kumriat tho hnuwa anghet theidonani regular angheta khanin pay level 1 chu singkha sangsari zalia tanga singthum sangret le zaruk an hlo dona deal theite class 8 pass chintana deal thenga Mizoram Middle School standard chin thleng zirtan a deal theidonani kumsom pariata tanga somthum panga inkar ni angaya STSC tan kumsom li thleng deal thei ani donani Group D halak selection process Group D hi atlang puin interview mangala kani thina Prison Department Group D a ero hi chuanin written le interview aum donani written exam syllabus enila paper 1 chi aum donani mark za buanga English marks somni panga simple arithmetic 25 mark GK 50 marks ani donani Group D written exam inbuatsaihna tu study materials question hlui le solve kan duni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kha kan lo entry donia ka website link hi video description a khan a omani deal dan tour Group D deal na form te hi online na download thei vekani a download link chu video description a tho khan a link ka da kan lo enanga kan lo download donia tin department office a theu kalin a hmuna lak chhuah thei ani bokani form submit a hmun enila Mizoram State Legal Service Authority B kha Mizoram State Legal Service Authority Office miniko khatla aizola form submit turania Prison Department Group D Hnaruak kha deal to the tan Director of Prison Dor Puizel Feng Aizola submit turani Mizoram Lok Ayukta Office URC Building Miniko Aizola submit turania Deputy Commissioner Sai Tual Group D Hnaruak deal to the tan General Establishment Branch DC Office Sai Tuala submit turani Mizoram State Human Rights Commission via deal to the tan khan Home Department Office room number 056057 Mizoram Secretariat First Building basement number 1 Miniko Khatla Aizola submit turani thelu hun last date en leila Mizoram State Legal Service Authority MSLSA na deal to the tan December ni somle panga last date ani dona Prison Department na December ni som panga Mizoram Lok Ayukta December ni som pasari Deputy Commissioner Sai Tual December ni somle pakua Mizoram State Human Rights Commission December ni khata last date ani donani application fee STSC tan zale somnga general tan cheng zahni application fee pek tel tur ani donani tuna chuan LDC Hnaruak en leila LDC Hnaruak hi department sanga somle paruk awmeka pakhatna chuan legal metrology FCS and CA waya post pali ahnet regular post arwaka Directorate of Information Public Relation Printing and Stationery Department a post pali arwaka Prison Department post pathum Sport and Youth Service Department a post pathni Sai Tual DC a post pathum arwakani Provisional Employee hlo big enila singkhat sangruk le zakwale somni ani dona kumsari kumriat hnuwa khan anghet theidona anghe huna chuanin pay level 4 an la thei don ani regular LDC lo chu pay level 4 sing hi sanga zanga tanga singa sangruk le zaria tin kar ani don ani deal theite class 12 pass chin ni angaya DCA CCA thiamna nei angaya ni a engmo ber pakhat computer thiamna khangaya typing speed 30 watts per minute tin Mizo language middle school standard chin zir angai bokani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga in kartan dil thenia STSC kaini tribal tan kumsom li thlengai na thiamna awm theidon ani nalak dan tur LDC hi typing skill test ani masak ber tur ani written exam om lenga interview ato bera om don ani LDC written exam syllabus an en leila total mark zali ani anga paper 1 GK English mark zahni punga paper 2 hian computer GK arithmetic kan ti te khan mark zahni pudon bokani LDC exam inbuatsaihna to study materials question hlui le solve kan duni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kan lo entry nanga ka website link hi video description a hian ka da ani deal dan tur anila LDC deal na form te hi online na download thei ni online na download link chu video description a khan ka da ani kan lo enanga kan download mai don nia tin department office a theu khan kalin ahmuna lak chua thei ani bokani form submit a hmun turte legal metrology FCS and CA LDC Hnaruak deal to tan establishment section office of the controller of legal metrology mineko khatla aizola submit turani Directorate of Information Public Relation and Printing and Stationery Department adil te tan khan Directorate of Information Public Relation Treasury Square aizola submit turani Prisons Department LDC Directorate of Prison Dor Puizel venga submit turani Sport and Youth Service Department LDC deal tan Directorate of Sport and Youth Service Mineko Khatla Aizola Office chungin thelu turani Site LDC LDC deal tan General Establishment Branch DC Office Site wala thelu tur ani last date form submit hun last date en leila legal metrology kha December ni soma last date ania Directorate of Information Public Relation khan December ni som panga Prison Department December ni som panga Sport and Youth Service December ni som pasari Site LDC deal tan khanin December ni som le pakua last date ani don ani tin application fee STSC tan zale somnga anianga general tan chuan cheng zahni ani don ani pathumna Prisons Department Hnaruak en leila warden kan tiang chi kha post som arwaka hlo hi singkha sangthum zanga le somni ani don ani chu 50% of pay level 2 anianga PE provisional employee ani wangin he ma chuanin 50% of pay level 2 kha an la phot don ani he huna chuanin full salary an la thei don ani deal theite class 10 pass ni angaya Mizo language middle school chintal khazir angai bokani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar ni angaya STSC tribal kaini tan chuan kumsom ni thlengai na thiamna awm thei don ani deal dan tur Directorate of Prison Dor Puizel veng aizola office hun chungin lak chua thei ani tin department website prisons.mizoram.gov.in te download thei ani bokani form download then link chu video description hian kada kan lo check don nia selection process written exam o manga interview om don bokani written exam syllabus total mark zali anianga paper 1 GK le English mark zahni paper 2 simple arithmetic general intelligence and reasoning mark zahni ani don ani exam syllabus inbuatsaihna to study materials question hlui le solve kan duni chuanin the website www.kamliana.in kan lo enanga kan lo download anga kan lo join don nia ka website link chu video description khan a join na link kada ani form submit hmun tur Directorate of Prisons Dor Puizel veng aizola office chungin submit turani last date 2 December ni somle panga anianga application fee STC tan zale somnga general tan cheng zahni pek ngal tur ani palina driver Hnaruak en leila post pariat arwakani site LDC post pani excise and narcotics department post panga Mizoram State Human Rights Commission waya post pakhat avain post pariat arwakani hlo salary han en leila provisional employee PE anghet lo chia khan cheng sing khat sangthum zanga le somni anianga chu 50% of pay level 2 ani don ani anghet regular big kha pay level 2 sing kha sang kwa zakwa tanga sing ruk sang thum le zahni inkar ani don ani deal theite class 8 pass chinta na deal thenga driving license nei angaya MVI skill test a conduct train driving te traffic signal test te road sign kan ti te tin motor part le chungchang test kan ne khanin lo tling to pal tlang to ni kha angai bokani Mizo language middle school standard chin thiam angaya kumbi thlia lama hian kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar ni angaya STSC tan kumsom li thlengai na thiam na awm theidon ani selection process driving skill test awm masaberanga written exam interview awm le don ani written exam syllabus mark zali tutorial anianga paper 1 GK English mark zani paper 2 computer GK simple arithmetic le general intelligence and reasoning mark zani ani don ani driver exam inbuatsaihna to study materials the question hlui le solve kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kha kan lo enanga kan lo visit anga kan lo download thin don nia video description a khan a join na link kadani form submit a hmun en le ila site wal DC general establishment branch DC office site wala submit turani a excise and narcotics department Commissionerate of Excise and Narcotics Khatla Aizola le District Hranga te thelu thayani Mizoram State Human Rights Commission Home Department Office Room number 056057 Mizoram Secretariat First Building Basement number 1 Mineko Khatla Aizola Submit tour ani donani tin form thelu hun last date en leila site wal DC December ni somle pakwa Excise and Narcotics Department December ni thum Mizoram State Human Rights Commission December ni khata te thelu thei ani don ani School Education Department waya Despatch Rider post pakhat ahyatin lak ani don boka hlohi pay level 2 sing kha sang kwa zakwa tanga sing ruk sang thum le zani inkar ani don ani video masa khan Despatch Rider Hnaruak chungchang chipchiar taken kan soifia towa tunchuma chuan kan soifia to lawanga video masa kha kan lo enlet mai don nia parukna Soil Conservation Field Worker post panga ahyatin Hnaruaka Land Resource Soil and Water Conservation Department waya ani donani post pakhati PWD dan reserve ania hlo pay level 1A chu sing kha sang ria tanga sing thum sang kwale zakwa inkar ani donani thiam na ngai te class 10 pass ni angaya class 10 a khanin science te maths lak te langai donani computer proficiency DCA CCA a engma ber khani ngaya Mizo language proficiency test omdona amairo chu class 10 na Mizo subject la te tan angai don lavani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar tan dil thenia STSC tan kumsom ni thlengai na thiam na awm theidon ani na dil tur te tan dil na form hi Directorate of Land Resource Soil and Water Conservation Department Establishment Section office hun chuin lak chu athenia tin department website soil.mizoram.gov.in train download thei ani don bokani form download thei na link chu video description a hian kada ani kan lo download don nia dilna thelu na hmun Directorate of Land Resource Soil and Water Conservation Department Establishment Section aizola thelu turani dilna thelu rualin application fee change ale somnga STSC tan pek turania general tan change ni pek tur ani donani last day 2 December somle pahni aniang document thiltel ngai te advertisement a khan PDF a chiang takin oma kim changso kin advertisement kan lo endon nia selection process written exam le interview omdona written exam total marks ali anianga paper 1 GK English marks ni paper 2 a simple arithmetic le computer knowledge marks ni pu ani donani exam inbuatsaihna to study materials question hlui le solve kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kha kan lo visit anga kan lo download thin don nia